I'm Andrea and I'm here at Polaroid with our newest camera. It's called the Polaroid Mint instant print camera. So as you can see, it's just a typical point and shoot camera that instantly prints right through the bottom of the phone right there. What's really great with this camera, we already have preset modes. You can edit the pictures before you print them. So we can do color photos, we can do black and white, sepia tone. We also have a frame mode, so you can add that classic white Polaroid border to your photos. We have 10-second timer, and also we have a selfie mirror on the front so you can still take your selfies if needed. It's great.
Of course.
The camera is great because there's no ink cartridges, toners, or ribbons. All you do is just load a 10-pack of the zinc paper in the back right there, and you're all set to go.
All right. Now, so this thing is so nice and small and convenient.
Exactly, yep. It's a more modern design, more lightweight. It's thinner than our previous model. The battery life is also improved, so you can actually print about 50 prints before you need to charge your device.
All right, 15 frames or so?
Yes, exactly.
That's plenty. That's plenty for on the go. Nice work. What's your price point on this model?
So this retails for $99, and it's available on the market right now. You can find it on Amazon.com.
Outstanding. Thank you very much.
Sure.